When analyzing data, we often need to fix an incorrect point or analyze different subsets of our data. How do we access and modify elements of a vector after we've created it? Take, for example, these hourly pollution readings. We would like to compare pollution levels before and during rush hour. But first, notice anything strange? It seems unlikely that pollution would be trending up and then be non-existent for an hour. Let's deal with this issue first by accessing the incorrect reading in our data vector and modifying it with an average. In MATLAB, elements are numbered sequentially starting with 1. This number is called an index. For example, our problem element has index 4, since it's the fourth element of the vector. We access a specific element by typing the variable name and enclosing the desired index inside parentheses. Let's approximate the value of the fourth reading with the average of neighboring elements, which have indices 3 and 5. Rather than access each element one at a time, how can we access both indices at once? This command returns the third and fifth elements of our data. Instead of using a single scalar index, we use a vector of indices to extract multiple values. The result is a two-element vector with the values at the corresponding indices, which we save as a variable, x. Now, we take the mean of x and assign that value to the fourth element. Notice that the index we want to change is enclosed in parentheses, and the assignment operator is used to change the value from 0 to the mean. That's better. Now we're ready to look at the data before and during rush hour. Let's look at the readings from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Using the colon operator, we make a vector of integers 1 to 3 and use that vector to extract the first 3 elements of our data. Now, let's get the last 3 hours of data. This dataset is pretty small, but in many applications, we don't know the exact size of our dataset, only that we want to look at the last elements of it. No problem. We use the end keyword to reference the last index of a vector. We can even do arithmetic with the end keyword to access elements close to the end of a vector. End minus 1, and end minus 2 are the indices of the last 3 elements. This command using end extracts the last 3 readings of data. And there you go. It looks like our average pollution reading does go up a bit during rush hour.